laps later.
Next one is Aprilia. It will be hard. Use previous to avoid track limits. Not a bad position for God Miller. The God without counter for the year. How humiliate me more, as if getting kicked off the team wasn't enough. And what about finding another team? Oh, I tried. I found a lot of resume, but no one believes in God Miller. This ring is very blasphemous. Oh, time to continue my comeback. Your comeback ends here. Oh, you'll regret that.
Spoiler alert, someone is going to crash.
No, please, I don't want to crash again. Yes, finally a scene with a crash and end of the war of crashes. Actually, every track is bad for us this year. World champion like me shouldn't be like this.
Don't worry, I know how to motivate you. Yes, unleash your rage and you will be back.
Time to continue with my comeback. Okay, but what is mapping to? All these years and we still don't know what mapping is. Maybe it's like beating Ducati, just an illusion. Oh, you're crazy if you think I let you overtake me. What do you care? You will retire this year and I will stay here. But not in Aprilia. That's true, and I'm already preparing my transition. Roger Tech 3. Oh, traitor! Oh, Pecco is too far and the race is really boring. How can we add a little spice to this race? Oh, no way, their mini prediction will happen! Activate Martinator Easy Mode!
With this, I won't exceed track limits again.
Yes, 7 victories for now this season and more to come! Oh, in Aragon, Martinator will be back! And another comeback seen by Marc Marquez! And another race is over! But I had so many problems. My whole shot didn't work, Morbidelli crashed into me at the start. Nah, I'm sure things will change next year at Ducati. If I didn't succeed at Ducati, neither will you. Oh, I will be your own dark me. And Morbidelli must be more subtle when crashing, or else he will discover